Day 7 camel cards.
Oh, oh, camel by camel.
This is written for you.
I'm ready.
Your all expenses paid trip turns out to be a one-way 5-minute ride in an airship. At least it's a cool airship. It drops you off at the edge of a vast desert and descends back to Island.
Did you bring the pots? I was just gonna do random voices. I don't know what the elf's voice is.
That was a terrible impression. I just want you to know that right now.
Okay. Did you bring the parts?
Okay, that's better. I mean, at least that's like more believable. Okay, they remind me of the.
Hey guys.
I mean, you're getting close. At least it's believable. All right, anyways, you turn around to see an elf completely covered in white clothing, wearing goggles, and riding a large camel.
Oh, he knows. He's on the OCaml trend.
He is. Did you bring? Oh, your turn.
It's a lady, though, now.
Yeah, so you gotta go, did you bring the parts?
Did you bring the pots?
She got very proper.
The
last one's like, did you bring the parts?
She's
and then
riding
this one's
a
like,
camel.
did you bring the pots?
She's obviously sophisticated. I didn't know. I thought it was the elf on the elf.
Did you bring the pots? She asks again, louder this time. You aren't sure what part she's looking for. You are here to figure out why the sand stopped.
The pots for the sand. Yes, come with me. I will show you.
She beckons you onto the camel. After riding a bit across the sands of Desert Island, you can see what look like very large rocks covering half the horizon. The elf explains that the rocks are all along the part of the desert island that is directly above Island, making it hard to even get there. Normally, they use a big machine to move the rocks and filter the sand, but the machines have broken down because Desert Island recently stopped receiving the parts they needed to fix the machines. You've already assumed it'll be your job to figure out why the parts stopped when she asked if you can help. You agree, automatically.
Classic
Santa.
Midwest nice. Just like
Midwest Santa nice.
Yeah, okay, fine. I can help you with your parts.
This isn't even my island or anything. I'll just help you.
Okay, whatever.
Because the journey will take a few days, she offers to teach you the game of camel cards. Camel cards is sort of similar to poker, except it's designed to be easier to play while riding a camel.
Nice.
In camel cards, you get a list of hands, and your goal is to order them based on the strength of each hand. A hand consists of 5 cards labeled A, K, Q, J, T, 9 through 2. Okay, so that's ace, king, queen, jack, 10, 9 through 2. And the ace would be the 1. Okay, cool. It is relative strength of each card that follows this order. A is the highest and 2 is the lowest. Okay. Let's see. Every hand is exactly one type, from strongest to weakest. They are 5 of a kind. Okay. 4 of a kind. Full house. Okay. 3 of a kind.
Nice.
2 pair. So it sounds like we gotta just do potentially a sort might play a role in this.
We might be able to do some goodies.
Okay, 2 pair. All right, 2 pair. 1 pair. High card.
Oof.
Yeah.
Tough hand.
Tough hand. This is a tough
hand, dude. You got to play the hand that's dealt to you, though.
You know, you got to know when to fold them.
And when to hold them?
You got to know when to walk away.
I don't remember the next part.
You got to know when to run.
Oh, there we go.
You never count your money while sitting at the table.
There you go. It's good advice.
There's always time for counting when the dealing's done.
Did Trash actually win a lot of money in Vegas, or did he just come with money and then take pictures?
He sat down as a complete degenerate and gambled for hours. I don't know if he actually left with money. Everyone that goes to Vegas somehow leaves positive.
Yeah.
I just don't think they're good at counting money.
Right. They brought 1,000 and they came back with like 3 $100 bills. So like it's more. It's like when you offer a kid like 2 dimes for a quarter.
Yeah. Yeah, he came in with no bills because it was in his card, and he left with money in his hand. He's like, wow!
I made so much cash. Look at this.
All right, hands are primarily ordered based on type. For example, every full house is stronger than every 3 of kind. Yes.
Yep.
If you have 2 hands of the same type, the second ordering rule takes effect.
This is just poker. I'm confused. Well, but it's like, it's simpler than poker because they can't have multiple kinds or like a straight or stuff like that, right?
I guess there's no straight or flush.
Yeah. Because there's no suits.
Oh, there's no suits. Ah, yes. Okay, I didn't even notice that. Yeah, there's no suits. Okay, there you go. If 2 hands have the same type, a second ordering rule takes effect. Start by comparing the first card in each hand. If these cards are different, the hand with the stronger first card is considered stronger. Oh, interesting. Okay, so looking up here, that means if the 8 was right here, it was 4 aces versus 4 aces, and you had like a 2 versus an 8,
you'd lose then. Yeah.
Interesting.
Cool. Nice.
I know, but that's funny because you could have a full house. Okay, yeah, no, that's just the rules then.
It's just the secondary ordering, so only if you're tied.
But it says it's in the order that they appear, so there can be some goofiness where you should be doing better. Is that true?
No. If you have a 4 of a kind and another person has a full house, you win.
No. That's no. Look at it. It was very explicit. It's very, very explicit.
It is very explicit.
Meaning that if you had if you had something that looks like this versus you had something that looks like this, I would conjecture that this guy will win.
That guy will win.
Even though he has actually a worse hand.
Yeah, but he has a higher number first, right?
Yeah, because the ordering. So the ordering is important. That's goofy. Okay.
I think so.
That's how I read it. Okay. So 3 3s and this one are both 4 of a kind, but it's stronger because okay, they already went over it. Okay.
Keep reading. Stupid
rule. All right, to play camel cards, you are given a list of hands and the corresponding bid, your puzzle input. For example, that. This example shows 5 hands. Each hand is followed by a bid amount. Each hand wins an amount equal to its bid multiplied by its rank, where the weakest hand gets rank 1 and the second weakest gets rank 2, and so on up to the strongest hand, because there are 5 hands. Oh, you have to sort. OCaml's weakness.
No, it's good at this because you're going to sort by a function.
Oh, man. Weakness coming in. Can't handle an array manipulation.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see about that.
All right. Because there are 5 hands in this example, the strongest hand will have rank 5, and its bid will automatically be multiplied by 5. Okay. All right, so we also have to know these ranks, right? So this must be...
Well, so that's the ordering.
Yeah.
So it's saying, like, the strongest hand gets the highest rank.
Oh, yeah.
So you're going to sort them all, and then you're basically going to multiply them by where they are in the list.
Okay. Oh, yeah, the bid amount. That's what you multiply. Sorry.
Right.
All right. So let's see. The first step is to put the hands in order of strength. Okay. And now you can add them all together. Okay, so I think I understand this. The total winnings are just the multiplication. Okay, fantastic. What are the total winnings?
Nice. I like this problem. This one's fun.
Yeah, this one is a very simple problem if I was using a different language.
But we're going to do it in OCaml?
Yeah, well, you said, this is why you're here.
Let's do it. Yeah, well, then we better get moving. We got to go to soccer in a little while.
Yeah, I know, but you know that you got to, warm people up, okay? You don't just go into something.
Oh, I just start. When I was in the airport, at least.
Well, that's a little bit different. All right. So here we go. I'm going to go day 7, ML. And let's go to Dune, and let's... How's that?
You want to see something cool?
Well, again, you just were all like, we gotta get. Well,
yeah, but I want to teach you some cool stuff about OCaml.
Okay, yeah.
So if you change executable to executables at the top, and then you can change name to names, you can put multiple names inside that one.
Like that. Then what runs?
So now you need to say Dune exec day 7.
Do you mean public names?
And then you need to say public names, yeah.
Oh, interesting. Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
I was in the wrong place. I don't want to be in that one.
Yeah.
I want to be right here.
Okay.
So that means if we went to, what is it, Dune?
Yep.
Do I have that up? Nice, I still have that up right here. So that means I would then go like this. I could have day 7 and day 3.
Yep.
And then I'd go Dune, execute.
D7.
Yeah, I'd go D7.
W. Nice.
That's cool.
So then those all share the same list of libraries, which is nice. So you can have executables that use different libraries.
Okay.
You would do the same stanza that you had before, where you made an executable.
George Costanza?
George Costanza Dune. He made Dune. That's why it's named after him.
Okay. Okay, so I don't know what that means, but thank you for that.
Stanza is just one thing inside of parentheses.
Okay, well, that seems nice. So I'm going to go like this and go print end line hello world. There we go, and hello world. Okay, so we're doing this. I still remember how to use OCaml. All right, so this doesn't seem too hard, so I'm just going to go here and I'm just going to do what I keep doing and just paste that in.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, let's take here. Let's paste one more of these in, and let's put input here, and let's go put a little 7 in there. There we go. Oh, I put bin input. We don't want bin input.
No way, Jose.
Yeah. There we go. Oh my goodness. There we go. All right, fantastic. All right. So TJ, in my head, what I would do.
Yeah.
What I would do if I were you and you were me, is that I would split by new line.
Yeah, that seems good.
Each item I would split by space and then put it into a little object that's like hand and bid.
That seems good.
And then I would have a sort function that sorts these.
Yeah.
And then I do a final map that gets the index as the second argument in JavaScript. And I'd multiply index by bid. So that's how I do that in my head. Or I would do a reduce and then the third argument's index. So
that sounds good.
But I don't have any. I cannot do any of those items in OCaml.
Okay, let's do it. So the first thing is we can make a type.
All right, let's make a type. I've never made a type.
Type. You can just call it hand.
Hand. Getting handsy.
Yeah, and then.
Do I do that?
Nice, just like that.
All right, so I do like this. Card list. No, let's go hand. And is it a string that we're doing? Or
yeah, we could put it as a string to start with.
Okay. All right, so this is standard. This is standard style.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't remember if the trailing semicolon's allowed. I don't know if you need to do semicolons in between them, but I think it's semicolons, not commas.
No, that has to be right because I'm not getting. Oh, syntax error. All right, semicolons.
I think, and then I don't remember. I don't think you can have a trailing one.
There's only one error now.
Well, I don't know why it's saying syntax error below
I love you.
Oh, do you have to have a comment? You have to have one of these at the end?
No, you don't for types. I'm saying this one, the trailing.
Oh.
I don't remember. No, I don't know why it says syntax error.
It's gone.
Okay, nice. There we go. Cool.
Oh, we gotta say some thank yous. Hey.
Oh, we do. True.
Hey, thank you, Lil Bonaparte. Wow.
Willithy.
Thank you for the $5 a month and Willithy. I appreciate that.
Love the name.
Willithy, you love it?
I like it.
Close to TJ.
Close to Timothy.
Telescopic Johnson.
Yeah.
All right. So I have a type. Never really created a type. This is like my first type.
Yep. So.
Create my first type, everybody.
So this will be available. Like if you just do let x equals, like we can just make one, right? Like let x equals, and you can just say hand. Yeah.
And will this thing know?
Yep.
It's a hand.
Yep.
Wow. Okay.
So that part's good, right?
Cool. Okay. What happened if can you have two things with like the same definition and then does it get confused?
Yeah. In this case, it'll use whichever one I think is most close.
Okay.
So that's how inference works. Is it works like top to bottom.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. It goes backwards. It just walks up until it runs into the thing.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Cool. And then you could also do type annotations to get it to swap around.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So I could go. What is that? Is that hand? Is that how you do that?
Yep.
Yeah,
and then it says we never use hand too. Yeah.
That's cool. Okay. All right. Anyways. Okay. So we got that.
Yep.
We're now experts.
We're OCaml geniuses.
I'm ready. That's handy. Yeah, that's handy. That's handy. Okay. So now what do we do now? We should do a sorting function.
Well, let's first. Yeah, we can do whatever. I was thinking you might want to just read the lines.
Yeah, we can get there, right?
I can show you also some other tricks if you want that won't necessarily solve the problem, but will solve some things that you'll be annoyed by in OCaml.
Okay. Here, I'm just gonna go like this.
Yeah.
I'll just have it ready.
Yep.
All right, it's ready. So we can rank it pretty easily. No, I don't want that. Okay. All right, so.
One thing too, if you want to not get annoyed all the time by telling you that you haven't used stuff when you're compiling.
Yeah.
And in your watch.
Yeah.
So wherever you have to do in watch, you can do -- profile equals release, and then it won't treat like unused types or variables as errors. So for like AOC kind of problems,
so you go release.
Profile equals release.
Oh, profile.
Because you can make different profiles.
So then now I can just jump in here and go. What is it? Is it that?
Yeah, and then right.
Oh, nice. Okay, then it doesn't make things as crazy. Okay,
right.
Perfect.
Which is nice for like AOC style problems because you're like iterating.
You're just exploring. You have no idea what you're doing. Okay.
Yep. So one thing that I think you're used to from like Rust would be like derive style macros, right?
Yep,
and
yep.
you're not super able to like easily print things in OCaml without.
Correct.
Well, it's also difficult to print things in Rust without deriving debug, right? So if we
Correct.
wanted to do the same thing, these are called PPX, which is, I don't remember, programming point extensions, I think is why it's called PPX.
Okay.
Welcome to Costco.
Thank you.
And they have
Robinson.
some for, yeah, Dylan also has a good example of OCaml.warning. You can disable certain warnings for like the whole file or particular lines, but
Okay.
I like it that when I'm done iterating and I want to start making it better, I just take the profile release off, and then it will let me know that I didn't use a function or whatever. So then,
Yeah,
that was
yeah.
good.
You can also DAP at the top of the file if you go Dylan's way.
True, you can DAP it.
DAP
Yeah.
it.
But there's a bunch of other ones too, like unused types, unused arguments, unused like you might want to just not do those for a while
Yeah.
in the middle.
PP extenders. Okay, PPX is PP extenders.
That is actually where the real name came from. Yeah,
Okay.
OCaml's guaranteed to do so. That's what I heard.
That
That was
sounds like
why
fake
I got.
news.
That's why I got interested.
I've been doing OCaml for a little bit now,
Yeah.
and mileage is currently varying. All right. So,
So
what's the first thing we've got to do? Because we should,
Yeah. Well,
because we don't have a lot of time.
Yeah, yeah,
So
what
we
do you
want
wanna
to
do?
balance. Well, we want to solve the problem.
Okay, let's
so
solve
I already
the problem.
I already know what I want to do.
Let's get it in a list. Let's get it in a list of lines.
All right. So do you have a slick way of doing that? Because I know right now I do like open in, and I forget how open in works.
So one thing that I think you would benefit from is probably writing yourself a little, especially if you're not going to use core or base most of the time, you should go to your lib folder.
No, see, we're getting distracted.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
I don't remember what the actual. I gotta go to my. I don't remember how to.
There we go. I have that, and so then I go
Okay.
like this. I go while in.
Don't you have this in some other ones?
Well, you gotta just try to remember it. Line, IC. Yeah, and then you go in, and then you go while this. No. Well, how do you do this thing? Can you do a while match?
You could do is some, but I don't know. I've never written it this way.
That'd be so cool if you could do a while match. I'm voting that you can do it as a while match.
Like I would just do.
Yeah, I know that one. What about the except? No, the exception. No, it doesn't hand me that. It hands me a line, right? Is it a string option? Isn't there like some sort of?
I would write it as a recursive function if I was gonna do it, instead of a while loop.
Okay. Anyways, it's just interesting. I mean, we can do it as a recursive function. I don't.
But now you've read from the thing, so then you lost the value, right? So like I would write like let read to lines, like I would make a
Welcome to
function.
Costco.
Okay. You want to go like this. Let read lines.
Yep.
IC equals this. And that's gonna go like that, and it's gonna do. There you go. See, I want that end of file business with the match.
Yeah.
We're gonna get the line in here. We're gonna read it, and then we just simply concat that, do that, and we just keep on doing that, right?
Yeah, something like that.
Keep adding to the front of the list.
Yeah.
And there we go. Okay, that seems about right. So then I'd go list.
Except I think, is that typed right? I don't know, that's fine. We can see. Let's
Yeah,
see.
that's
What does
right.
it say list is? A string list? We should
yeah,
just print it.
yeah. No, it's a string list.
Okay, nice.
We-
So then one thing you can do to print this really easily is you can do list.iter.
All right. Okay. List.iter.
Yep. Yeah, there you go. Nice.
Yeah. No, we got it.
Is
We
that
got
the
it.
right order?
Yeah, that's the right order.
Okay,
Well, it's
just-
inverted, but yeah, that's the right order.
Okay, so then reconnection successful.
Are we back?
We might be so back.
Are we back? Are we back?
I think we might be so
Or
back.
are we Jover?
Here, all right. Are you ready? Okay, yeah. We can turn this video back on. I didn't want you to accidentally dock something from studio.
Okay, so it looks like we're back, but my chat right here is now disconnected.
No, video should be back now. I turned it back.
We're back? Are we back?
Oh, we're so back.
We're so back. Refresh.
We're so back.
We're so back.
We're so back.
Hey, thank you, Daily Coder. I thought I heard this, but then I didn't see it over on this computer, and I was just like, what just happened there? Thank you.
Just
I
a
appreciate
casual
that.
internet outage.
Ooh, we Jover? Look that. I typed that a while ago.
Yeah.
We're so back. We're so back.
We're so back. Okay, quick. We got to keep going.
All right. We got to keep on going. So line, we're going to go in here, and I need to split this line. So I'm going to go can I do hand/bid?
Yeah.
And can I do that and do split on character?
Yeah, it'll be a little bit mad at you because it's saying that that doesn't handle all the cases. But you can disable the warning if you want.
Is it saying that?
Yeah. So one thing that I like to do at the end of my function is either put like just like a unit, like left parenthesis, right parenthesis,
Yep.
or assert false. Because assert false will make it so that like it still type checks. It'll still be the right thing that you need.
Yep.
But then you complete your function. So it's saying, hey, this is not exhaustive.
Yeah, because there could be...
But I think there's a way that you can... Is there a code action for disabling it? It's basically saying you could have more jars than this, right?
Yes. Okay.
But that's fine. You can...
That's fine. That's fine. So then we just do something like that.
Yep.
And there's a way to disable this.
Yeah.
Disable.
So, or you could map... like a more proper way to do this would be that you could match the string split, right?
This is true. So I'd go like this. I'd go match the split.
Yep.
And I'd go with.
Yep.
And I'd go hand and bid. And that's
then,
where
and
hand
then
and
the
glove.
other way you can just assert false for like...
Fail with.
Yeah, that's good too. Yep.
There we go.
So that's more of the OCaml style way. So in Advent of Code or in other places where you're confident that like this should basically always work, then you use fail. Right? Exceptions are for exceptional cases, right?
I like this. Okay. We've done something so wrong that we cannot proceed forward.
Right. Yes.
All right.
So now you can do list.map.
Yeah, oh yes, that's right. So now we can do this thing. We can
So it'd be like
lines.
let hands or something like that. Oh yeah, I was gonna do it on the next line, but that's fine too.
Okay, well here, we'll do it on the next. We can go let hands equals list map line to hand list, right?
Yep. And so now if you look at the
then I
type,
can even do, can I do something like,
oh, you could.
is this where I do the whole like,
Yeah, you could pipe that.
this is this where we pipe that dog?
Yeah, you could pipe it.
Did I pipe that dog?
Nice.
Unused variable, look at that, we piped it in. Practically an OCaml genius at this point.
Nice.
All right. I'm a piper.
So now we have our hands. So
Some
now
people wouldn't understand.
you wouldn't understand.
Okay, so we have our hands, so now we just need to have a sorting function, right?
Yeah.
So I'd go let, I'll just call it sort, and I'll
that's
have, should I do an A-B, or should I do a list?
I think it's so we should look at what list.sort is, because I think it takes a compare function, or like it takes. So if you look at this, it has
takes
A, and then it turns -1 for if it's less, 0 for it's the same, 1 for right.
Okay, so we can do this.
Yep.
All right, so we're gonna go like this. This is a lot of things in which it's trying to tell me to do. Don't tell me. So I could do some sort of A hand, B hand, right? Mm-hmm. But I'm not really.
But we probably want to do
This
some
would be
like
kind of a pain.
we probably want to process the hand a little bit more. Like I would probably put some stuff in here. And you could map to what like score it has. So like I would make a like score or like a
Yeah, I'll let score function that takes in a hand.
right.
Or
like a string, like the string hand.
The string hand.
Yep.
We were having a problem here because we call this like
Right.
hand in hand. It's just it's
That's
not,
okay.
It's not going good.
Yep.
So that means what are we gonna have to do here? Because we have to keep it in order.
Yeah.
We can't mess with its order. We have to kind of figure out, does it have 4 of the same kind?
Right.
Or 5 of the same kind? Is 5 of the same kind? Is that
5 of the same kind? Does it have 5 of a kind? It does have
5 of a kind.
So the way I would think about it is I would probably make like basically like a map, and then I would count up the types, and then I would see which one.
All right, so I don't know how to make a map.
Yeah, that's good. I know it's a little bit weird at first, so that's fine.
How do I make a map?
So we're gonna use. There's I think it's the module is just. So if you type, I think it's map. Is it actually map? It might just be map. If you type capital M map, does it start show? Nice. Okay. So we need to make a map. So this is a functor.
Yep, and so now we've made an empty one, right?
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do module string map equals.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, just start a new line. Module
string map
Yep,
equals.
Yep, just like that. So now if you do the like hover on stir map, it'll show you what it has. So it has an empty. So these are immutable maps as well. So you're you're gonna accumulate them by passing the same map to itself over and over. But so like you start with an empty one, and then you can add a key and a value to the map, and you get a new map back.
Okay.
Right. So that's this A is your value, right? That's like the type that it has.
Interesting. It actually hands you a new map back.
Yeah, because they're immutable. But OCaml uses persistent data structures and a bunch of stuff underneath the hood, so it's not literally copying.
Okay, so it's not literally copying.
Yes, it has. It's smarter than that under the hood. And now, if you were doing super high performance, you would want to use a mutable one anyways, and like update in place and stuff. And that's hash table. But like this is more of the OCaml style, and for when you only have 5 items per hand, it doesn't make any difference at all. So
okay, that sounds fair. So I'd actually make a map that would be a stir map empty, right?
Yep. So now that's your first one.
Okay, so that's my first one.
Yep.
And so then I would want to go. Would I do something like? Is there some sort of fold?
Yep. So you can do fold.
And I'd want to fold. Can I fold? Ooh, can I? What's the thing?
So let's not fold. Let's not get to the fold yet, because I would say you. Oh, we actually probably don't want a stir map. We want to do a char map. Oh, I didn't even think about that.
Okay.
Right, because we're going to want to do it for each character.
Fair. Because I figured that we're going to want to go through this and... Oh, I should have just renamed it. Don't we want to go through each character and just create it up?
Yeah, so I would do, like, let chars is, list or string dot... Does it have chars? I don't know what it is. Does it have iter? What? Char, unit, map... Char to char, string. No, does it have a? I don't know. Or char. Maybe there's one in char. We could do 2 sequences. Nice. Yeah, 2 sequences good.
2 sequence, right? So that's a char sequence. Okay.
Yep.
So that'd be a hand. So now we have our official char sequence, right? All right. Nice. So that's good, right? So now we want to take this and we want to add each one to a map, right?
Yeah. And that's basically what it's. I think that's what it's going to do here. But we can write it out. It's more fun to write it out. So fold left is good.
We're going to have the map. That's the accumulator and the char we're going through, right?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
And so then we're going to want to go char map. Is it add?
Add. Mm-hmm.
Char. Ooh.
Yeah.
So we're going to want to map it to like an int, right? Like the account?
Yeah. So then we're just going to either add 1 or put 0 in, basically.
All right. So now that is interesting. How would we do that? So we're going to have to go... Yeah, I like the idea of a match.
Yep.
That seems right. A char map, find. Ooh, is that find option?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Ah, nice.
So usually if you see _opt in the standard library, it's going to do an option. And if...
Oh, I like this.
So I prefer, like, in some of the other libraries, what you'll see is they'll make it very clear where they have _opt returns an option and _exception returns, like, throws an exception if you couldn't find it.
Okay, right? Okay. Oh, I like this. Okay, so this is awesome. So I can go like this. Char map, right? Is this...
I would do underscore, but yeah. char _ map, I'm saying.
Oh, yeah, char map. Sorry.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm just going to recall map.
Yeah, that's fine.
F? Oh, dude, it's down again?
It looked like we dropped frames for a sec, but
I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening.
Gemini's still out to get us, boys.
I gotta figure some things out. Yeah, we've been dropping frames. I don't know what's been going on. We've been having some crappy internet. I'll probably just restart the router at some point and...
figure out Ethernet.
I could try Ethernet again at some point, but last time I did it, I couldn't even turn on my computer.
Yeah, that part does seem weird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I tried it multiple times, and I was just like, dude, just let me turn on the computer. Just let a man have a computer here. All right. So there we go. So I have what I need right here. Yep, so I have a char map.
Yep.
So now I have to classify it?
So then I think we need to basically find a way to like score each of the types of things, right? So you could say like, do any of the values have 5? Then it's like it's the highest. So either you could map it to like an ordered type, basically, where you have like 5 of a kind, 4.
Yeah.
2 of a kind. Because we only are looking for.
All we really need. I mean, how I would do it in my head is that this would be worth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I just program each case in.
Yeah. That would work.
I don't see how...
Yeah, you can just give it a score, and then we can check if the scores are the same, right?
Yeah. All right, calculate score.
Yep, nice.
Char map. Yeah. All right, so now this is the interesting part, is that we have to do each case, right?
Yeah, so the way... I don't know how you would want to do this. If you would want to do... Like, I'm not sure what the most...
Because you can make some inferences really easily if I knew how many keys there were. So if there's 1 key in this map, it's a 5 of a kind.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
If there's 2 keys...
Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, you could do it on the cardinality of the list, right? So if there's...
Yeah. So I know it's one of these 2 if it's 2 keys.
Oh, that's a pretty fun idea.
3 keys, you already know that you have this possibility.
A different option is we could probably write that out a lot.
Is there like a key count?
Yeah, we can get it's called the cardinality of the list is how many keys there are.
Okay.
Yep. So now I was thinking of a different option.
What's a map? It's not a list.
Oh, sorry, yeah. Of the list, yeah. The cardinality
of instead of using a map, we actually create a list and then we just get the length.
So then I was thinking, what if we made a list and we have like tuples inside that are the character and the count of them, which is basically what a map is anyways, right?
Yeah.
But then we could sort by the count. Oh, we could do map to list. Smart. We can just map this to a list.
I like this. This equals, let's see, a map.
It'd be char map dot to list. Yep.
To list. We don't have to list.
Okay, we can do to sequence and then do sequence to list is fine too.
All right. And so then I go like this. Let list equals sequence to. Do we have to?
List of sequence is what you want.
All right. Let. I guess I could go list of sequence.
No, sorry. Like list dot of sequence. Yep. And then you could at that bad boy.
That's right. We at that boy. We hit that at. All right. So this gives me an actual list.
Yep.
So then I can go like this. Match.
Well, I would sort it by. Well, we could do this too, but I think it's easier if you sort the list by how many counts there are, because then we can walk down and we can literally just look at the cases. We can match the list and do pattern matching. So so just first sort the list, and then I'll tell you what I mean.
Okay. Well, actually, I don't even know how to sort a list.
Let list is list.sort.
List.sort.
Yep, and so then we give it a function, and then I think we can just do. So this is A and B, right? And then we can do.
Do you do arrows in this one? No, you don't do arrows, do you?
You do an arrow, yeah.
Oh, you do an arrow in anonymous.
So function? Then I would do. I think there's just a built-in function called compare, just with a lowercase c. Yep, and that takes A and A. Then you can do A. Oh. Okay, I want to see something cool.
Yeah.
So if we go to this A, we can pattern match out its score. So like you can do underscore A, underscore B.
I like where you're going with this. Yeah.
And then you're gonna compare them, and then we would want to like at this again.
Yep.
I wouldn't always write this with just a bunch of ats, but this is fine.
It's fun when you're just learning how to do a bunch. Now, do you put them at the end of the list? Where do you put your ats?
I would probably put that. I think that looks fine that way.
Yeah.
So this should be a sorted list now. So now we can pattern match on the list itself, right?
Yes.
So don't do pattern match on list.length. Just do it on the list. So watch this, right?
Oh, interesting, because then we can do something that literally looks like, it doesn't matter. It's like, that's it.
Right, if this
happens, then we already know that we have ourselves a
5 of a kind, right?
A 5 of a kind. I think there's 6 cases, right?
Yeah, so we could write the different
3,
cases.
4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there's 7 cases. That's super cool.
Right,
okay.
So then this would have to be like a list of this, right? So actually it's like a list with one item. So you could just put an underscore here because we're not actually even going to use the count, right? So it's like we only have one item.
Yes.
I don't care. Boom.
Yes. Okay, so if there's 2 items though,
then we would have to figure out. So then you could do.
Yes, if there's so I'd go like this. Hold on.
Okay, I won't say anything. I'm not going to say anything.
I'd go like this. I'd hit him with a 4.
Oh.
Yeah, and then it doesn't matter on the second one, and we hit him with a 6.
Holy cow.
We hit him with a 3. We know we got a 5.
Yep.
That's actually so cool.
Is that not sweet? Is it not so freaking sweet?
Dude, that's outrageous, actually. That is certainly outrageous. Okay, so then 3 of a kind would, yes, 3 of a kind would be that.
Yep. Oh, let this man cook.
Dude, it's pretty dang sweet. And so then if we have a 2 plus 3 items, it's that. And then we have 1 pair.
I don't think you handled 2 pair yet. Oh yeah, that is 2 pair.
Yeah, that is 2 pair, dog. Yep. Yo, dog, that's 2 pair.
Yep.
All right, hold on. Let's see. This pattern matches.
Semicolons in between.
Oh,
the
semicolons,
tuples.
semicolons, semicolons, semicolons. I'll do one of those. I'm not. Okay, so that was out. That was cool. That was cool. Can we all agree that this is super cool? Can we all agree that this is outrageous to like? This is a hard problem to do in general.
Is the music too quiet? I can hear it good here.
Oh yeah.
Do you
It's
need
just
me
because.
You mean turn it up?
Yeah, like this.
Want me to turn it up here?
No.
Sorry.
Because I like to have more range.
Oh, I see. I got you.
Because I find that if I turn it up too hard in there, too little much.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah,
Very similar to my Rust solution so far. Either way, dude, this is pattern matching is crazy. This is crazy that we can do that. You're just stoked about that, aren't you?
I know.
All right, was this what you were envisioning?
I was gonna do something similar to this. Yeah, I was thinking about making like an enum, because you could map this to like, instead of 7, you could map this to like 5 of a kind.
You could have it named.
Right, so you could have them named, but this is exactly the same. Because then I was just gonna make that an ordered like type thing.
Yeah.
So like this is good.
Nice. Okay.
So then we can, so I would score them in the line to hand section. Like
Okay.
I would put that in the hand itself, right?
Score.
Yep.
I like it. I
Yep.
like it. I like it. And so I'd do something like this: is I'd jump down here, and I'd go score equals, not score hand. It would be calculate score, right?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
All right. And then I'd have to do semicolon.
Yep.
Not the other way around. And hand is string, and score takes char map.
Oh well, we can just make it take a string and build the char map there. Why
Well,
why doesn't it? Where are we using the scorer thing?
We're really all we have to do is do that, right?
There we go.
This has okay, hold on. Oh, that's a char sequence.
Because we need to collect it back into a map. No, this should just be what the heck? We're mapping this char. Okay, so this is. Do you need to do like sequence collect or something?
We do.
What
need to
is
do
map?
It's,
What is
it's
the
a
type?
sequence. It's
It's
a
still-
sequence, right? It's a char.
Right, so I think we do like char map of sequence, something like this.
It wouldn't be list of sequence.
Oh yeah, we could just pass it the list directly.
Right, and then we get.
Because now we should have.
Oh, that's an A. What's the problem?
But an expression was type. Wait, what is the signature for fold left?
Fold left is a function that takes in an A and a B and produces an A. Takes in
Oh, did we
a
never
C
pass
number.
in chars to this? Pass chars after. We never passed chars to this.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why it's confused.
Okay. So now what's the problem?
What's the order that's supposed to take? A and then B sequence.
So we have this function figured out.
Yep, we have the function.
We take an A.
Oh, we have to put in the initial value, which is map. Where did we put?
Oh.
So it needs to be map and then chars there. This is why. So like Oh, hey, unhappy engineer.
Oh, unhappy engineer. Thank you. Sorry. Where is our? Oh, we somehow had them all down.
I think we probably turned them all down yesterday.
I'm sorry. We had all the sounds down. Thank you. This is where type annotations can help a ton. Okay, so this is where you want to start type annotating.
Or
yeah.
like in base, all of them are named arguments.
Yes.
So that's what this is like literally one of the reasons that I like is just I want it to be that instead. You know what I mean?
I see what's happening. Because
Welcome
that way,
to Costco.
the only thing that's not-
I love you.
Yeah, I love you too. Hold on one second, brainless box. The only reason why you would get mixed up is that you put all the named arguments in F for function, all that kind of
Right.
stuff. Then you pass the list in.
Yeah.
So that way you can create any partial application.
Right. You can still do the like fold and pass them through to each other.
Okay, apparently alerts are raging loud.
Nice.
Yeah, loud notey, my bad.
I can't hear them.
I know, something got screwed up here.
Okay, we'll fix it another day.
Yeah, Costco is way too dank, Costco. My bad. Hey, does anyone want to sub just to see if the alerts are better?
True, good point. Or you could sub on my channel and see if it shows up here too.
Just sub on your channel. It could. If we subbed on your channel, it might.
You never know. I mean,
might.
we have the technology.
Yeah, we have the technology. All right. Hey, thank you very much, Unhappy Engineer, for again another 10 gifted subs. You're at 110 for this. I don't even know how long, a week.
Something like that,
wild,
I think,
wild man. Thank you very much, and Radius, thank you for this.
Welcome to Costco.
Oh, I heard
I love you.
Yeah, it's still a little loud. There you go. It was a little loud. There we go. We're better. We'll get those things figured out. Thank you, Radius, for doing that.
Got him
So good. He got had.
Welcome to Costco.
Oh,
Nice.
damn.
I love you.
Thank you very much, a cafe and
Welcome to
pastis.
Costco. I love you.
There we go. Thank you. I appreciate that. Look, that chart of int. We're doing this.
I think we're doing it.
I think we're doing this, Harry.
So then now we call this like score or something, right?
Yeah. There we go.
Nice.
So now we have the score. We have this.
Yep.
And now all we gotta do is
You can just literally compare. Okay, so now we need to do our sort function here, right? So like
we don't even need to sort it at this point. We've already done all of it. This function's worthless.
well now we have the scores for the hands, but we need to sort the hands
No, you don't. Right? Oh, we need to sort the hands?
because we need to multiply them by their index.
But that we can just do in line.
Sure, we can try. Let's do it.
That's like an inline one. Hey, thank
Let's
you,
see.
Dev Timbo.
Welcome
Look
to
at
Costco.
this. My goodness, thank you.
I love you.
Let's go. Let's go, Dev Timbo. Okay, so that means all I have to do is go like this. I have to go list.sort.
Yep.
And I do a fun
Yep.
AB.
It's a very fun A and B.
I'm having fun. I'd go a.score minus
So you can
yes,
just
yes, b.score, because that's going to be an ascending list.
Yep.
And then we're going to pass it hands. Let hands, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm a big fan. Oh, I must not have done
You
this
need
one.
to end at you're in. I'm saying you just need to say in at the end.
Oh,
of the line.
in.
Yeah.
All right, so now we re-got this. So now we're still at a hand list. We've sorted it. We're looking good. So now we need to do a. Hold on. There's like I swear there's like something with an I in it.
Yes.
Right? There's like map I, mappy, right?
Yeah.
Mappy.
Does this have fold I? Because that's really what you want. It really doesn't. Oh my goodness.
It doesn't have fold I.
Okay, so this is where like I'm triggered. So you could do it.
Can we just do a while loop? How do you do a while loop?
So I'll show you a different trick because this is fine. So I would do let like result is, and so let's use a mutable variable just for funsies.
Okay, I've never used a mutable variable.
So you do ref. Are we adding these together or multiplying?
We're adding them together. We just multiply the bid
Okay, yeah.
times its position.
Okay. So ref 0 and then in. You still need to do in.
Oh, in. Okay. I've never done this before.
Yeah. So now let's
Dev
do.
Timbo, I don't know what I'm doing. I've never mutated in OCaml.
Yeah, list.iter should work because
Okay.
normally I would use fold I.
Yes.
Yep, nice.
All right, so we did that. So now I'm gonna have to go like this. I should go. I need to somehow set result. Is that what you do? Colon equals.
Yep, colon equals.
And what's this? This.
That's how you get the value out of a ref.
You get the previous value, and you do hand.bid multiplied I plus 1. I think that's correct.
because the rank is
yeah.
And then you need another parenthesis to close it. And then this doesn't return anything, so it's just you have to. Yep. So right. So then that should do result. We did make an error though earlier, but that's fine. We can come back to it in a sec.
There's no errors.
There's an error in our logic.
Let's find out. I got 1751. What are they thinking? They're thinking 1644. Okay, or 64. You know what I meant.
We didn't handle the case where they have the same score. Like they both are 3 of a kind. You know the one where you spend a bunch of time thinking about it and then it answered immediately afterwards?
Okay. So let's go like this. Do I need like hand compare?
Yeah, you can make hand compare as a nice. I think that's a nice way to say it.
Yeah. And so then I had to do something like this where if there is 0 here,
Yep.
then I need to do the extra thing.
Right. Which I don't know how you would want to. I don't know if.
Okay, is there a zip?
Well, so I'm thinking there are some ways that you could do zip. So do they sort? Is it sorting alphabetically, like ASCII alphabetically?
We don't touch the hand. The hand is just the string.
No, I know.
We have to go each by.
Right, but you would if you compare 2 strings together. Is it? I don't remember because is it like?
Isn't there like a REPL? What's the REPL?
UTOP. So you can do compare and then do 2 strings. Just literally type in a string. Those are chars, but that's
I know,
fine.
but
and then double semicolon to evaluate in there.
Okay, nice. That's what we're going to be using because we're going to be walking through the list.
Right, I was just trying to remember if it literally works or not.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
So T needs to sort bigger than 9 or something, right?
Oh yeah, hold on. Yeah.
A isn't one of them. I guess it doesn't.
Yes, A is one of them.
Oh, for Ace. Right.
Yeah.
Ace is bigger.
Yeah,
But that's
Moose
good,
Burger.
right?
Thank you.
That's actually the right direction, right? What about... So all of them should sort correctly by just comparing strings, right? It's literally just a string compare?
Well, no, because...
except for A's and K's. Oh, those rascals.
I know, so now we have to do this whole, like, matching thing.
Yeah, that's fine.
So
Here,
we
can do this with another sweet match, though.
Yeah, I know, so we can go like this. We can go like this, card to int.
I would do card compare.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Oh, thank you, Frosty Jack. Well, don't we just want to just cast them to numbers? Because then we just compare numbers.
Sure. I was thinking you can write a really nice match statement that like could do this for you, but yeah, we can.
Can you? Well, let me see.
Well, I don't know. I was thinking you could, but I don't know. I haven't. So like I was thinking,
Welcome to
if
Costco.
you have a list of
Oh,
chars,
Stelma! Thank you. Holy cow!
right? If you had a list of chars,
Holy cow! Yeah.
you can pattern match on the two lists and get like the head of each one, right?
Yeah.
And so then you would compare these, and then if they're equal, you're going to recursively call to the tail.
I know, but then you have so much you'd have to like, because then you'd have to go through. Then you'd have to. Okay,
we can turn
they're
them
not
into
equal.
numbers. That's actually probably easier. So let's just do like let char to number or something like that, right?
Card. Chad
numbering.
Chad and numbering. Yeah.
Yep.
Thank
Did it
you.
just say the Chad number is 10,007? Is that what Copilot just said?
Look at that. It already knew.
Int of string at char escaped. I think that's probably fine.
Yeah, I don't think
That's
we have to
pretty
do
good.
this char escaped because we already know what we're gonna get.
Well, but it needs to go back to a string. It's a char right now.
Well, no, because this thing should be a number that comes out. Yeah, char to int.
Right, but I'm saying this card, the X here is a
Oh.
char.
Yeah. Okay. So escape must turn it into a string. Char to string. Okay. Genius Copilot. That was perfect though.
Yep. So then we can just
We just do Chad numbering.
but we need to go through each one. So
Yes.
then I would do, I would turn them into a list of numbers. So I would like map the A hand to a list of numbers.
Okay. So how do what's
yeah.
what's the
So let's
player?
do like let A is list, or how did we turn it into string? It's char dot, what's the way that we turned a string to list of chars in this one? I don't remember.
Don't you remember? It's string dot to sequence.
To sequence, nice, okay. So let's use pipes this time because it's a lot better than ats for this kind of thing. So like string to sequence, A dot hand, right?
A hand.
No, A dot hand, because we need to.
Hand. Yep.
And then seek map.
All right. So then we're gonna do a seek map, Chad numbering, right?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
And then we go.
And then I would do list dot of sequence. Because we're gonna get them into a list. And
Yeah.
then we're
And we're gonna go list dot of sequence.
Yep. Nice. And then we can do the same thing for B.
And we do a little in.
Yep.
Right. I mean, we could turn that into a function, but
Yeah,
well,
no, it's fine.
It's too late.
It's too late, and we're gonna have to leave soon.
Yeah. So there we go. So now we have A and B.
I think you can just compare A and B.
Can you?
Yeah,
You think that's gonna work?
I think so. I don't know. Let's see. We'll just go back to the UTOP and then just compare like a list with 14 and a list with 12 in it and stuff.
Okay. Let's go like this. Go compare. Let's go like this. 15, 15, 12, 15, 15.
Yep.
Right? And then we'll do.
Nice
15,
job with semicolons,
15,
by the way, too.
thank
He's
you.
becoming a real OCaml Chad over here.
I feel pretty good about this.
Double semicolon. Yep.
-1 means this one was smaller, right?
Yes. That's
is-
correct. That's what we want.
Yes,
'cause
which
this
is
one
correct.
Welcome to Costco.
Yeah, I think it's good.
I love you.
All right, hold on. Hey, thank you. Oh, I can't use Control W.
I guess
Screwed
not.
me up. Screwed me up here. Here, actually, I'm gonna go like this. Hold on. I'm gonna say thank you for that. There we go. And space and do that. Oh, come on, it got me. Okay, it did the same. Nice.
Yep.
7. It did.
15, 15, 15, 8.
I'm confused as to why that one won. Wait.
No, that's the same as we've gotten for the other ones, right? This is saying this one's bigger. -1 saying this one's bigger. This one said this one's bigger. Yeah, that's right. It's good.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, it's
gosh,
good,
dude. I'm so, dude. I've never been good at that thing.
Yeah.
Whatever that thing is, I've never been good at.
Okay, so let's just see. Let's just see if we get the right answer now.
Well, I gotta use hand compare, right?
Yeah, right.
Where do we use hand compare at?
In our sorty sort down.
Sorty sort?
Yeah, right here. Right, so now you just do hand compare instead. Just pass it in directly. Boom.
Nope. Right?
Yeah,
hand
let's see.
compare. 6247.
Nice. We didn't get it right.
Nailed
Okay,
that
did
one.
we?
Okay, well, let's just print out what we're multiplying. How does that
that's
sound?
good.
Nice. First try. Print ed line.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that seems pretty good.
Yeah, let's go like this. Hand plus score, right? No, it's not score. We don't care about score. We're gonna do bid. What is bid? Bid, we gotta go like this. String of int, right?
Yeah, you should, yeah, I think, this is fine too.
Multiplied by string of I plus 1. Let's
Sure.
just see what our things are. So we do 483 times 2. 483 times 5.
Oh, so something in our cases is wrong. We didn't sort them correctly here.
We did not sort them correctly at all. 6, let's see. This one is saying it's 1. Oh, did we reverse sort them? Hold on, so this one says 1.
Oh, did we do it backwards?
This one says 1, we did 5.
Yep.
220 says 2. 220 is 3.
Okay, so we just really scuffed it on the sort.
We just scuffed. This is a terrible sort. Whatever the sort is just terrible. We just didn't do the sort right. Do you think it's this? Do you think it's our sweet matching function?
I hope not, because I was really happy with that one.
That's like my happiest thing ever.
So let me think. So we should be getting. They should be getting sorted. Wait, does this go? Oh, this probably goes smallest to biggest.
It does do smallest to biggest, huh?
So we need to rev the.
Let's rev that, right? I'd go like this. Do you just go like
Can we
this?
change the whole thing into pipes instead? So just like.
Pipes?
So I would do char.
It's too late. We just got.
Okay,
we just gotta roll with what we have.
Oh, but
you
this
know?
won't work because this is just wrong. You need to put list.reverse at the front.
Yes. List dot.
Rev.
I do
At.
agree that pipes are superior.
Yeah.
Because you read it that way, you don't read
Right,
it.
you're thinking about it like I want to do this thing and then this thing and then this thing and then this thing. Okay,
Yeah.
so now.
Yeah, there we go. We got it.
Okay,
we just had a reverse.
Yep, nice.
All right, so now we're gonna just take this thing, and we're gonna go here, and I'm gonna go. What is it? Day 7. What input? Right.
Yeah.
Day 7.
All right, let's see.
30
prediction.
30 seconds, chat. Prediction.
Quick 30 seconds, and then we probably have to go.
Yep. 30 seconds. We're gonna start a prediction. First try. Yes. No. You got 30 seconds. Go. 30 seconds. Go. Are we gonna get this? First try. Are we gonna get it? Let's go. Let's go. Come on. What is this?
Oh, that would have been smart too. Compare BA instead of.
You
list
might want to
reverse.
put a small amount on there.
I'm not logged in.
Yeah, compare BA is really.
That's smarter. Than
that's big
list
brain.
rev.
That's like chat.
Hey, Shermanator,
Raiden,
shut up! Stop
they-
being so smart.
I know, dude. He's just.
This
over
is
here.
Twitch chat.
You're supposed to be stupid. You're not supposed to be smart like this. All right, we're in. We're in. We want you just to say stupid things. All right.
Oh no. We scuffled it.
Well, unfortunately, we have to go. Well, not unfortunately. Fortunately, I do have to go take my kid to soccer, so I'm going to leave you guys now. We're unable to finish it. I'm sorry, dude. Pay up. I better pay up.
Doubters in.
Doubters, get in. Doubters,
Get in here.
Doubters, get in.
Get in the startup, boys.
Weebs out. Doubters in. I can't believe we got that wrong in OCaml.
I'm pretty sure we didn't do the sorting of the same numbers correctly.
I think we did the exact same problem.
I think we did the exact same problem. Quick.
Wait,
Just go back to
Where is it? This one?
compare B and A. What? Oh, only 10 seconds. We can wait 10 seconds. 10, 9.
That was my first time getting it
8,
wrong. You think I would have had a little bit of
7,
time?
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Shoot, we suck. We got too high and too low. Okay, we'll actually we'll have to look at it later.
Okay, I'm just dumb. All right, did we do this? Oh,
We
start
did.
prediction. Okay, hey. Well, look, it turns out I suck. It turns out I suck.